So here we go. This is our first time hanging with the whole body weight. How are we feeling?
Okay.
Good. How are the wrists?
Okay.
Any pain?
No.
No? Good. Let's go ahead and tuck your knees in just a little bit. Good. Any pain putting more weight on the wrist? Ah, good. Now bring the knees at least parallel to the ground. Pull the, yes. How's that feel?
A little more challenging.
A little more challenging? Good. Go ahead and lower the legs.
Just lightly.
Just lightly, or as much as you want. Good. Keep the legs straight. There you go. Yes. Beautiful. How's the wrist feel?
Okay.
No pain?
No.
Good. How does the stretch in the wrist feel?
Okay.
Okay, good. How does the strength in the forearm feel? Do you still feel as strong, or does it feel like a little weakness?
That's okay. It's the shoulders.
Ah, okay. Shoulder flexibility or shoulder strength?
Strength.
Strength? Okay, I'll take it. Beautiful work. Keep it up. Beautiful. How does it feel?
Good.
Good. Even with the single arm?